G'day guys, we've got a quick proof here where we're asked to prove that two vectors m and n are parallel. Now in order to show that two vectors, or prove that two vectors are parallel, we need to show that one vector is a scalar multiple of the other. So in this particular question, what we're required to prove is that n, the vector n, can be expressed as a scalar multiple of the vector m. So that lambda there is a coefficient or a scalar. So what I can do is in this particular one here, my proof is going to start by going n, which is equal to 12, negative 8, 20, can be expressed as 4 times 3, negative 2, 5, which is equal to 4m. So we can say therefore the vector n is equal to 4 times the vector m, and hence the two vectors are parallel.